So, hello everybody. First of all, let me welcome you to this tutorial session on Eclipse Zenoh. So, thank you for your interest and for attending this session. Today we will talk about Zenoh, and we will do it in a mix of lecture and hands-on talks. So, for those that are new to Zenoh, we will introduce you to many of its concepts that will allow you to understand the foundations of Zenoh. And for those that are already familiar with Zenoh, we still hope to bring something new to you as well. So this is the agenda for this tutorial session. So we are currently doing the opening. Then we will follow with a presentation on the genesis of Zenoh. So we will go through the motivations that led to its main design choices and also to provide an introduction of its core concepts. Afterwards, we will have a very quick crash course where the Zenoh team is building a cloud to microcontroller application. And then it comes the more hands-on oriented part of this tutorial, where we will get you started with both Zenoh and Zenoh Flow solutions. And afterwards, we have a very interesting presentation on how Zenoh achieves high-performance networking using Rust. So since all these sessions are going to be pre-recorded videos, we decided to keep 30 minutes for questions and answers, where the Zenoh team will be available to answer any of the questions that you might have throughout this tutorial session. Because some of you might be hearing about Zenoh for the first time, let me first tell you what Zenoh is. So Zenoh is a data distribution solution that unifies data in motion, data at rest, and computations, and it can be deployed from a very small microcontroller up to the powerful data centers in the cloud. So as it is inspired in some of the information-centric networking concepts, it provides a location-transparent API, and it allows high-performance pub-sub communication paradigm while also allowing distributed queries across an heterogeneous system. At the same time, it offers some enhanced capabilities, such as the capability or the easiness to instantiate geo-distributed storages and integration with third-party technologies in a very plug-and-play fashion way. So Zenoh is already being successfully used in several application domains, both in production environment or targeting specific proof of concepts. So some application domains have been ranging from robotics to autonomous vehicles, autonomous transportation, autonomous farming, also medical and smart cities, and even aerospace and energy domains. But let me show you some concrete examples on where Zenoh has been used. So in the India Autonomous Challenge, the Zenoh was used for so also in a different scope, but also related to driving. Zenoh has been used also in autonomous trains. So Zenoh is also being used in robotics, and we are in a very close collaboration with the Rust community to support Zenoh as part of their ecosystem. And one last example, and this one is coming from our community, so where we are already finding several initiatives for using Zenoh as part of the network engine for games. We also have here the example on where Zenoh is being used for online gaming. This is the core team behind the development of Zenoh, not only in terms of implementation, but also in terms of innovation. So most of the team is based in France, in Paris, with some members also in Taiwan. And because we care about our community, to which we tend to listen and to get some feedback from, we also consider that the Zenoh community is also part of our team. And we get this feedback from the community because we are an open source project as part of the Eclipse Foundation. And we also have an open community in Discord, so you can find the links to each one of these. So to the GitHub repository and to Discord here in this slide. Feel free to join us. And also, we regularly publish more technical-oriented content in our blog, so keep a look at it because we will be posting from time to time. And so, without further ado, let's go to the first presentation of this tutorial session, and I hope you enjoy it.